I'm so pleased to be here today to talk to you about my experience at Wesley House. My daughter and I needed child care for my granddaughter Liliana, and we had some bad experiences in some other centers, and so I came to Wesley House with a big need. Both my daughter and I work, and we needed some safe, loving child care for her. So when I visited the child care center, Wesley Wonders, it was marvelous. The director was there. He showed us all around, told us about the wonderful food, the clean environment. But all of those things are not as important as what my granddaughter is bringing home each day in her heart. We are so blessed that she is learning about Jesus, and she is around people that really care about her, and they love Jesus also. And they are spreading that word to her. She has a happy day now. When I pick her up, she is happy to come home and tell me all about what she has done, what good food she's had, what her teachers have said to her, and all the fun experiences that they have had during the day. But one of the main things that really is close to my heart is that each teacher seems to know what Liliana needs and what she wants, and they love on her, and they talk to her, and they pray with her, and they let her know that she's a child of God. So each day when we leave Wesley House and we look at laughing Jesus on the wall, on the door as we leave, we just have a smile together and know that we have found the right place. I don't know what more a parent or a grandparent could ask than to go to Wesley House Preschool.